Pure bending means shear force is zero. Pure bending is a conduction of stress where a bending moment is applied to a beam without the simultaneously application of axial shear or torsional force. Beam that is subjected to pure bending means the shear force in the particular beam is zero and no torsional or axial load is presented. Pure bending is also the flexure bending of a beam that under a constant bending moment. Therefore pure bending only occurs when the shear force is equal to zero, which is the correct correction of beam. m by a is equal to sigma by y is equal to E by r, where m is bending moment, I is equal to second moment of inertia of cross section about neutral axis. Sigma is equal to bending stress on any layer. Y is equal to distance of any layer from neutral layer. E is equal to Young's modulus, or R is equal to radius of curvature of neutral. The point within the cross-sectional plane of beam through which the resultant of the external load on the beam has to pass through to ensure the pure bending without twisting of the cross-section of the beam is called shear center. Shear center is the point within the cross-sectional plane of beam through which the resultant of external load on the beam has to pass through it ensure pure bending without twisting of cross-section of the beam. Section modulus of beam is defined as I by y max. Section modulus, the ratio of I by y, where y is the farthest of or the most distant point of the section from the neutral axis, is called the section modulus. It is denoted by Z. Z is equal to moment of inertia about neutral axis divided by distance of farthest point from the neutral axis. If E is equal to elastic modulus, I is equal to moment of inertia about the neutral axis, and M is equal to bending moment of in pure bending under the symmetric loading of beam, the radius of curvature of the beam is 1 and 4. It means D increase with E and decrease with M. In pure bending stress, sigma by y is equal to m by I is equal to E by r, where that implies r is equal to E into I by m. R increase with E, R decrease with M. In circular plate with edges clamped and with a uniformly distributed load, the maximum radial stress occur at the center. In circular plate with the edges clamped and with the uniformly distributed load, the maximum radial stress occur at the center. Equivalent moment of inertia of the cross section in terms of timber of a flitch beam made up of steel and timber is m is equal to E by es by et. Equivalent moment of inertia of the cross section in terms of timber of a flitched beam made up of steel and timber is it plus is. M is equal to es by et. Es is equal to modulus of elasticity of steel, and et is equal to modulus of elasticity of timber. Section modulus of a beam depends on the geometry of the cross section. The section modulus of beam depends on the geometry of the cross section. Section modulus is Z is equal to I by y max. M by I is equal to sigma by y is equal to Z by is equal to E by r. M is equal to sigma max into Z, or Z is equal to I by y. Section modulus of a square section of side B is equal to BQ by 6. Section modulus square section momentum of inertia I is equal to b power 4 by c b power 4 by 12. Section modulus is equal to I by y, यानी कि z is equal to I by y. For a square beam z is equal to b power 4 into 2 by 6 by 12 into b. b से b को कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो बचेगा BQ by 6. The maximum bending moment of a square beam of section modulus 200 cube by 6 in mm cube is 20 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. The maximum shear stress induced in the beam is 15 Newton per mm square. Bending moment is equal to M is equal to 20 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Section modulus is equal to BQ by 6 for a square beam. So M by I is equal to sigma by Y is equal to E by R. Sigma by Y is equal to M by sigma is equal to I by Y. That implies Z by sigma max is equal to M by Z. That implies putting the value and we get a answer. In a I section of a beam subjected to transverse shear force, the maximum shear stress is developed at the center of the wave. The maximum shear stress developed at the center of the wave here. In an I section of beam subjected to transverse shear force, the maximum shear stress is developed at the center of the wave. Shear stress distribution for I. The beam of uniform strength is 1. A beam of uniform strength is 1 which has the same bending stress at every section. A beam of uniform strength is 1 which has the same bending stress at every section. Neutral axis of a beam is the axis at which the bending stress is 0. Neutral axis of the beam is the axis at which the bending stress is 0. A beam cross-section is used in two different orientations as shown in figure. Beam bending moments applied in the both causes are same. The maximum bending stress induced in case A and B are related as sigma A is equal to 2 sigma B. Here I is equal to 1 by 12 into b into b cube b by 2 का cube. That imply we get b पे power 4 by 96. As the bending moment formula mi is equal to sigma by y. That imply here ia is the b by 4 a by 96. We put the value here, then we get m into 12 into 8 by b4, and then after we get the answer is sigma A is equal to 24 m by BQ. Thank you.